guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you love to watch, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, y'all, I am back with a hair video, and today I am giving you guys a simple, cute, and classy look. I feel like with this look, it's perfect for a holiday season for one. It's cute for a simple casual look, and then it's also cute for a elegant classy look. So we're giving a little bit of best of both worlds because I couldn't decide whether I wanted straight or curled. So I'm like, let's do both, why not? So if you guys want to watch me do my hair, then go ahead and keep watching this video. All right, y'all, so my hair is freshly blow dried, and we are going to flat iron it today, and I'm also gonna add like some little curls down at the bottom. So I am going to be using this she, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I picked this up from Ulta like 2 weeks ago, and I want to try it out. I haven't put any heat on my hair, so I was like, let me use it today. So I'm gonna spray some of this on the hair, and I'm thinking I want to do I'll probably do a middle part. I always do a middle part because that's like my signature. Alright, so my part is pretty straight. Normally, if you watch previous hair videos, when I flat iron my hair, I like to just kind of go around my head. So we're gonna do that again today. And I just have a ponytail holder to hold the hair out of the way. And as we're flat ironing, I'm gonna add the curl down at the bottom. So I'm gonna spray a little bit. I don't know how much to spray, but I'm gonna comb that through. And I like to take small pieces like that. All right, y'all, so I moved the hair out the way real quick. But I like to use my favorite, my handy dandy flat irons. These are by the brand Hair Rage. These are my OG flat irons. They have been with me for so many years. I don't even know how many years, but it's been a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this section here, and then curl the bottom piece. Not too much, because I want it to just be like a little loose curl. So just use the chase method. Get your little rat tail comb from a beauty supply and just chase. All right, y'all, so the first section is done, and I wanted to mention, because I know people gonna ask, the setting that I have these on right now is 400. I usually try to have it between like 400 and 425 sometimes, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do the bottom, and we probably just gonna go to about like this much. I wanna say this much. I'm just gonna start here and twist the flat iron, hold the hair, and just drag the flat iron out. See? Nothing too crazy, just a little curl. Real cute, because if I want to put it behind my ear, I can still have that curl. This is also like a cute little holiday style. This could be for, this might end up being my little Thanksgiving style. Thanksgiving, Christmas, a cute little style. Not too much, still cute and classy, you know? Okay, y'all, so they have, I don't know if y'all seen this, but on Amazon, and I need to order it, but because I'm terrible at flexi riding, like I can never get it right, like it never works for me. So I did see on, I think it was Amazon, they have this like long, let's say flexi rod, long flexi rod, and you like put it on the head, on your head, and then you take the hair on one side and you kind of like twist it and you connect the hair, or hold the hair, I can't even talk, hold the hair with like 2 scrunchies on the end, and then like the next day when you take it down, your hair is supposed to be like curly. I'm gonna order that and then I'm gonna try it out and see if it really works, because I've seen it on like TikTok and stuff, but I want to try it. I want to try it on my hair and see how it does. So if y'all want a video of me using that, then let me know down in the comment section below. All right, guys, so same thing. We got more hair this time though. And it's pretty thick. So the more hair you have, I mean, you can separate it into like 2 separate pieces, which I'm probably, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So 2 separate pieces, twist, and drag it out. All right, y'all, so this is the flat iron side and here's the blow dried side. I got about 2 more sections to go, so we're halfway done, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, y'all, this is the last section and I'm slowly losing light, so I apologize for the light change. I got the ring light, but I don't want to make it like too bright. So if you notice a difference in the lights, I apologize. I'm trying to beat the sunset. Last section though, so we doing good. All right, y'all. So, I'm about to curl this little section here. But quick review on that heat protectant spray, the I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's cool. Okay, it had the hair sizzling a little bit. I think because it kind of left my hair a little wet. I don't know if it's like, if I spray too much or if it's supposed to do that. But yeah, like it kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it though, or try it again one more time, but I don't think it's bad. It definitely has the hair smelling good. But again, it had me sizzling a little bit over here. So the curls are done. Oh, little tangle. All right, y'all, what y'all think? I think the hair turned out super cute, and I'm low-key about to flick up some pictures because we looking good today, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys want to see more holiday hairstyles or hairstyles that you can wear during the holiday season. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.